In this segment, we'll be learning how to make the center and few shapes to fill inside the mandala. The first shape that we are going to learn is the drawing of center of a mandala. Drawing the central part is core to any mandala. It plays a significant role as based on this the entire mandala is constructed. Follow the strokes given in the video and try to replicate them on the templates given to you. Now we are going to see the shapes which are added on as to build up the mandala beyond the center. So some of the common shapes that are used are arches, flowers, circles, semicircles, leaves, teardrops, etc. Some of the practice designs given in this video will help you to draw the mandala given in the template. Look into the video and try to practice these designs. They will help you to draw your own mandala given in the book.